Hi, welcome to another video from Grandkids. How do I? I'm your host Akash. Today I will be teaching you how to email files. So what you want to do is open up your email account. Once you have done that, hover your mouse to the top left corner and click Compose. You can type in who you want to send your email to. So, type in the email. Now, sometimes if you have sent an email to a person multiple times before, it'll automatically come up. But if you have not, you will have to type in the full email. And then you can type in a subject line, file you wanted. And then you can type in your message. And can click send. And here at the bottom left it will say that the message has been sent, or if maybe there's an error and it didn't get sent. But here it got sent, and you can see here it showed up. I hope this was a helpful video, and I continue to hope we can continue to have more fun together and learn. Thank you for watching.